Hello, Sasrikal, Namaste and Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Mad Black Guys, and I'm your host Jabir over here. So in today's video I'll tell you guys about how to avoid damaging your chain sprocket and save around 2000 rupees replacing them. Let me just show you what's wrong with this one. So as you can see over here, the teeth is all gone. Hey, everything is gone. So when this happens, the chain will start making noise, and every time you give acceleration, it will start giving jerks and making weird sounds. You lose a lot of power, and if you continue using that without replacing the chain sprocket, you will damage the chain as well, and you have to pay extra for the chain replacement. For replacement of this one will cost you around 1600 just for the spares, and plus the service charge to remove the rear wheel and then place it and everything. And it also depends where you're getting the bike service from. If you're going to the Royal Enfield, it will be a bit expensive, and if you're going to the local shop, it depends on that guy. And if you continue riding like this, you will damage the front sprocket also, and to change that it will be more expensive because you have to remove the whole cover, then only you can change the front sprocket. Let me just tell you how you can damage your chain sprocket and how you can avoid it. There are several reasons that may cause damage of the chain sprocket. First being that your chain may be loose and you are riding it hard, and every time you accelerate it gives a jerk and it's damaging the sprocket. Second one being that your chain is not lubed and it does not go smoothly around the sprocket. So what happens is every time it rotates, it chips off a bit of the vertical sprocket, and in the end damaging the whole thing. And the other reason being that the hub rubber, the rubber which connects the chain sprocket and the wheel, the rubber goes over here. I mean, they are rubber bushes, right? It goes over here, and the other one goes on the wheel. This one connects the wheel and the chain sprocket. So if your rubber bush, the rubber inside here is damaged, so this one will have some play, and this one will also damage your chain sprocket. So to avoid this, what you have to do is, if possible, please lube your chain every once in a while. Don't let it run dry, and whenever you clean your bike, make sure there is lube on the chain. If not, then just go and lube it. Even you can do it yourself. I just lubed my bike and finished off the can. So sorry guys, I cannot show you. Maybe next time when I lube the chain again, I will show you guys how you can lube the chain at home. And one small bottle costs around 150 to 350 depending on the brand you use, and it lasts really long. Maybe you can use it, once you buy it, you can use it for 1 year. And even you can buy the small the loose packet. You don't have to buy the expensive one. Even you can buy the small cheap one which the local workshop guys use. It's around 20 rupees for 100 ml or something. Then you just put it in a spray bottle and you can just spray it. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care, sayonara.